up? My name is Tony and I'm the co-founder of the Hyaco company. In today's video, I'll be showing y'all how I repurpose these cute candle jars that I found. So if you're interested in that, please stay tuned. So I went shopping at Target and I came across these cute vessels, y'all. When I first seen them, I was like, oh my gosh, like this will go so cute somewhere in my apartment, or I just know it will work. But then of course, like any other person shopping for candles, I went and smelt it and y'all, it was not it. Like I was like, So I was like, I'm gonna just make it work. I'm gonna just burn them. I don't care, whatever. But y'all, as you can see, I tried to burn it. I couldn't. Like it was not for me. Like I don't like the scent. And this one is like the pear and orchid scent or something. No, like it's not for me. And I know like a lot of candle makers will be like, oh, they only buy their own candles or they won't show other people's candles. But y'all, if I see a candle and I like the scent of it, or if I see a candle and I like the vessel, like in this case, I don't care, I'm gonna buy it. So this right here is the Studio McGee on the Target collections, and this one was $10. It has a bigger one, I think it's $15 or $20, but this one is $10. This is a 8.5 ounce and it says it's soy wax. Basically what I'm gonna do is repurpose it, because not repurpose, but like I guess it's repurposing. I'm gonna get this wax out of here, put my own wax, my own wooden wick, because I don't sell candles with wooden wicks just yet, but I have wooden wicks, so I'm gonna put these in here and I feel like it's gonna be really cute. So I wanted to share that with y'all. So if you're interested, please stay tuned. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and visit our website at thehyaco.com. So what I'm gonna be using in this video is, of course, what you're gonna need. You don't really need no warning labels because it's you. You don't need a label again because it's you and it came in a jar. So basically what I'm just gonna be using is a wick sticker, a wooden wick, and my wax, of course. That's literally it. You need a double boiler method to get the wax out, to melt your wax that you're gonna pour into here. And yeah, that's it. And keep in mind, it says the only thing I feel like you'll need to know is how much, like the fill weight, how much you can hold, and then what wick size to use. What wick size to use based off of the diameter of the jar. So of course I measured mine. It was about a little over 3 inches. So I'll just use I'll use the wooden wick I had for when I did it before for 3 inches. So I feel like I'll be fine. It's close enough to the jars that I do use, but I guess just a little thicker, which makes it hold like 0.5 less wax. So it's not that big of a difference. All right, y'all, so really quick, I got the wax that I'm gonna be using out. I'm using the soy tan wax that I use on my regular candles, but first I need to put these into the pot that's boiling so that this wax could be melted and taken out, and then we can start with the fun part. Yeah, so this is like the not so fun part, more so like the boring part, but we need to get this wax out of here. So I'm just about to throw these into the pot and then we'll get into like making the candle for real. Sorry y'all, I'm filming on my front camera and I don't know where to look. Okay. So as you can see, I've removed the wax from the candles. I wicked them with these wooden wicks, and now I'm gonna go ahead and measure out my fragrance oil. These are the 3 fragrance oils that I'll be using. It's very vanilla, coconut mango, and black cherry, and they're all from the Flaming Candle. So if you do want them, I'll link them down below for you. So I only need 48.1 grams, so that's what we'll be working with. I don't know what it's gonna smell like. This I'm just gonna use a little bit, but I want it to mostly have the black cherry in it. Okay, so 30 came out, so that's what we'll be working with. 30 grams of black cherry. Next, I'll be doing the coconut mango. How much did I say? 48. So if I do like, get it up to 40. Okay, it's at 42. The coconut mango is at 42. And I think, yeah, I could do 6 grams. The very vanilla is really strong, y'all. So I try not to use a whole bunch of it because it could get really like foodie, if that makes sense. And I'm not the person that likes food type candles, so I'm gonna do this enough. So now that I have this, when I mix oils, I like to stir it together, you know, just so that they blend a little better. I mean, I don't feel like it make much of a difference because I'm gonna still mix it inside of the pouring pitcher, but whatever, I'm gonna do it anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my wax off of the stove now, pour this in, mix it up, and we'll just pour it and wait for it to set. So I finished stirring the wax around for 2 minutes. So now it's time to pour. I've finished with the candles. Of course, I'll show y'all the finished product of it, like what it looks like. But y'all, I'm so happy that I did this. Like, I literally bought this candle with the mindset that I was gonna repurpose it. I bought this like 2-3 months ago. Like I said, y'all. But if you do like this video, please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, y'all. Everything that I use that could be linked, I will link it below in the description box. Follow us on Instagram at the Hyaco, on TikTok at the Hyaco, and on Facebook at Hyaco, y'all. I will be posting like little snippets from me making the video behind the scenes on these other different platforms. Also, please don't forget to click the link in the description box to our website to subscribe to our newsletter and get 10% off your first purchase, y'all. Thank y'all so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.